Is Mars really a good place to live on or to just visit? Well, the answer is yes and no, and it depends on your opinion. So let's first start with the no. First, it's lack of oxygen. Unlike Earth, Mars has a kind of a weird atmosphere, and it doesn't have as much oxygen as it does on Earth. But maybe in the future we can change that. But for now, the thing is that there's rarely oxygen, and if we were to go there, then we couldn't breathe and things would be bad for us. So we need to use an oxygen mask. Second is that it's mostly carbon dioxide. Well, actually, it's basically 90% carbon dioxide. And as we all know, humans cannot breathe carbon dioxide. And sad, but it's actually 0.147 oxygen. Next is that it's actually hard to get there. Even though it's the closest planet to our Earth, it's actually pretty hard to get there. It would actually take us 150 to 300 days to get there. And that's a very long time for traveling. And it will waste a lot of oil, even if we actually did try to go there. And probably it would be a one-way trip. So if you want to come back, then it would be even harder. The next thing bad about going to Mars is that there will be storms. Mars is not a very peaceful place like Earth. It's not, and there are very violent storms out there, but not as violent as Jupiter and Saturn. But it still does have big storms, and they are almost larger than the ones on Earth, or can be large, even though that the planet is smaller than Earth, and it can actually get very large and can be bad. Next, the good things about going to Mars is that it's a cool place to explore. Well, this probably goes the same to every other planet, but I think that Mars is very special because of the way it's colored. And there probably would be new sources of life out there, and we can plant new things and probably discover new life. And it will be really amazing and different. And I think all of us will like that for a change. Next is we could survive massive disasters. If, let's say, World War III was to occur, then actually in World War III, every country would have enough weapons to destroy the Earth. So Mars would be a good hideout. Well, more like a panic room, a very big one. And if there was actually the repeat of the dinosaurs time, then we can actually go to Mars and it would be safe there. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you want more awesome videos, then of course turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.